How to unban WhatsApp number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will learn how we can unban WhatsApp number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If your WhatsApp account is banned, you don't have another phone number, you have to get through with the same phone number. Try to log out of WhatsApp and again log in back and see if it lets you log in. If it lets you log in, then that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, it's going to say that your account is banned, and you can follow the instructions to appeal the decision and then actually go ahead and then recover your account. If you don't see those appeal, then you can open your browser and just go to whatsapp.com/contact. Again, I repeat, whatsapp.com/contact, and make sure that you're logged into the account. Then over here you can select WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business. What do you use? Depending upon what you use, you can tap the contact us button here. Once you tap on contact us, over here you'll be able to say contact WhatsApp. So over here you can see WhatsApp Messenger support. All you have to do is simply make sure to enter your phone number here. Once you enter your phone number, enter your email, re-enter the email, select where you use WhatsApp, such as your platform, and then under it you can simply select your message below. Just let them know that you are 100% sure you didn't violate any type of community guidelines or anything. Do not be rude, just let them know that it was an accident on their part, and then they could have simply review it properly and then unban or remove the ban from your account. This way you can unban WhatsApp number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.